Bro, I know I've been out the game for a minute, but 3 minutes? 3 minutes? That's high. Alright, anyway. We're working to someone else now. And yeah. You've seen my old videos, you've seen my old truck and this new one. The old phone clip. Peterson. How I turn it? We're working on this. Look, I can lift that motherfucker up with the crane. Alright? Don't gotta do no jacking up. I don't gotta jack it, lower it. I lift it up with the crane. I put it on blocks. I'm motherfucking back, people.